Now the VMAX Plus is a 5G rugged phone. According to some of its details, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor. It features 200MP camera and it has a 120Hz display. Its battery capacity is also reviewed and it is said to be a 22,000 mAh battery. So these are just some of the details of the Doogee VMAX Plus. As for the S Punk, its top details are also reviewed, and according to the details, the device has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus teardrop display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The device runs on the Android 14, which is nice. At the back of the phone is a dual rear camera setup, and on the center is a 34mm large amplitude speaker with 3 watts high power. The cameras consist of a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP macro lens. That's for its rear cameras, while its front facing camera is 16MP. The phone also has a 10,800 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. As for its memory, the device has 6GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. And finally, the phone is powered by the Unisoc T606 processor. So the VMAX Plus is a 5G rugged phone, while the S Punk is a budget rugged phone. And both devices would be launching officially in June. The S Punk is definitely going to be a lot cheaper, while the VMAX Plus may cost, I don't know, $400, $300, maybe $300 to $400 when it launch. So these are just the details I have for you guys. There'll be more details about these devices very soon, and of course I'll be comparing the VMAX Plus with other top 5G rugged phones, including the Ulefone Nano 26 Ultra, the BlackView BL9000 Pro, and so on, guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, that's it for the video. Leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.